guys, this is Lipex here. Today I've got some goodies sent to me from Irene Oliver. Then I would be doing a makeup review. Wow, this is what is in there. So this is Utique Luxury Fragrance. Beautiful bottle, very beautiful. Smells nice. Wow, this smell is so amazing. So let's open the next one. Next one is Ferrum. Ignore my nails because everyone knows it's lockdown and the beauty industry is not really allowed to trade yet, so my nail technicians are not open. This is what is here, and then let's try this somewhere else. Wow, amazing smell. This is so beautiful. Amazing smell. And that one, I think this is a Cosmectics eyeshadow. Let's see what is in here. I mean, this product is amazing. Federico Mahora. You can check them out, guys. They've got luxury fragrances, and I've just been sent some of this goodies to try. They also sell cosmetics too. Okay, this is a palette. Don't know if you can see. Wow, amazing color, nude, beautiful pink colors. I'm gonna be trying out some looks pretty soon with this. It's really beautiful. Then is the silicone makeup base. We'll be doing a review of this cosmetics products soon. I'll be creating some looks, some makeup looks, and I'll show you guys how it looks on me. And this is a mascara, Lash Expert mascara. So yeah, I will be creating some looks with this soon. So watch out and stay tuned. Thank you once again, Federico Mahora, for sending me these goodies. Amazing perfume. I really love the smell of this too. Oh my god. This is amazing, guys. You need to check them out.
Future left for you, until we build up enough resistance. floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.